To pay for an Agoda booking using a debit card, follow these steps. Select Booking. Log into your Agoda account and choose the booking you wish to pay for. Proceed to payment. Once you've selected your booking, proceed to the payment page by clicking on the Proceed to Payment or similar button. Choose Payment Method. On the payment page, you will see various payment options. Select debit card as your preferred payment method. Enter card details. Enter your debit card details including card number, expiration date, CVV or CVC code, and cardholder name. Ensure that all information is accurate. Billing information. Provide any required billing information, such as billing address if prompted. Review and confirm. Review the payment details, including the total amount to be charged to your debit card. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. Complete payment. Once you reviewed and confirmed the payment details, click on the Complete Payment or similar button to initiate the payment transaction. Await confirmation. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment was successful. Check booking confirmation. After the payment is processed successfully, you will receive a booking confirmation email from Agoda with details of your reservation.